points off the press conference starting on the ECB. This is the Euro Yen. I've got a problem in the room. I've got to reset the room, so I'm afraid I have to issue a new link on that. I am long this, and this is the initial move into the Euro session. This is the pullback. This was 105 was last night's close. So just as we go into the press conference, we are just holding up. Now this is a data, what I call a data 15 setup, where after 15 minutes you just buy it and then go take it back to where it broke down from, or where it broke from, in this case down. So what I'm looking for is this to retest 118, 120 and break up on the basis this is last week's high at 113, which we pushed up into close to 150, not quite there. So if we can close above 120, this might reach up to 123 this week. So, but let's just see where the opening range is on the press conference, and let's see if this works out. Okay, press conference is now supposed to be starting. Not interested in what they're saying, I just want to know what the market reaction is. The DAX has been very flat, very range bound. We've held the open trading range for the whole day so far. We haven't done a gap fill yet at 975, so that is a possibility, particularly as we had such a lot of momentum yesterday. So as the press conference gets underway, you can see we've had 3 lower closes in that 15-minute chart, but what's got me interested, apart from the fact that we had a decent move and this is just a pullback, I think this is just a pullback, is this fib level here. So this 50% held here. We're now at the top of the range, we're holding the top of the range, and I want to see if we can retest the highs and then break. And ultimately into Friday we may possibly go up to 123. Right, so I will pause the video. We're literally just 1 or 2 minutes into the press conference, or barely 1 or 2 minutes into the press conference, and the yen is selling. The DAX is fairly flat at 940. Euro US is just under 105.60, and the pound pairs are pinging back up as well. Okay, so we're just about to test 121, and I will just see if this is going to work. So I'll stop the video, pause the video now, and then come back to you as we get some more data, some more chart patterns underway. Okay, so beginning to get a little bit of a spike. Let's see some volatility increasing. We're back. We've just retested the high of the data range, data bar. That's the bar that we got 5 minutes after the rate announcement. So now it's all a question of whether we can hold this 100 and start to close up, or am I wrong and are they going to roll this over? Are we going to see this tumble down? It's normally can be a very volatile period. There's obviously no guarantees in trading. Let's see what they want to do with it. Okay, I'll leave this video rolling for a little bit longer, and then we'll see if this dip is going to get bought, or if there's just been a lot of sell orders coming. Note we just retested the yesterday's high on that little spike. So I mean the close at the 15-minute after the start of the press conference is going to be really telling. So this next 15-minute bar should determine what we are likely to see in potentially the rest of the day, and who knows, maybe even the rest of the week, if I'm right about that 60-minute extension up there at 123. So let's just see if we can just close above 121. We may get this movement that I'm after. DAX is now up to 970, so that's about 35 pips higher. Oil's just 25 pips under 50, so I'm a little bit frustrated that looks as if I'm a day early on the oil. Right, so we're 10 minutes in, almost 10 minutes into the press conference. I'm actually long the US dollar yen as well. That's at 465. This is looking good. So we're coming into the first 10 minutes of the press conference with a decent close by the look of it. A couple of minutes to go, 1 or 2 minutes to go. So this is just one account. Obviously I've got several. I've got £160 up at the moment. I've got swing trade positions in at least 2 other accounts. So I've got a lot riding on this. Obviously all managed in terms of risk. All proportional to the size of the accounts that I'm trading in. This is more. I treat this particular account more as a demo account really. It's an account I use for charts, and the account that I used in the live trading room. Okay. So that's a good close 10 minutes into, so we've got 2 higher closes 10 minutes into the press conference. Alright, I'll pause this now and then we'll see what we get on the 15-minute bar. Okay, we are literally just 1 or 2 minutes off of the 15-minute bar close now, so I would very much like this to close above 115. Anything above 100 is good. Anything above 115 is a potential confirmation that we could be on for another wave to the upside. If we look at the wave count on the 60-minute chart, so we're only 100 pips up from the low of the week. So obviously wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Now wave 5 is normally the impulsive wave, normally. So if we close above 115, we may get confirmation that that is on the cards. Alright, I'll just keep the video running as we just get this 15-minute close. DAX is just under 970, 11,970. US dollar yen is running at just under 115. Euro US is 105.50, so that's capped at the moment. The pound is doing okay, holding up. Right, so this 15-minute bar may just give us a clue as to whether it is worth holding on to this or not. Okay, it's a higher close, but we've not closed above the 15-minute, 20-day moving average or yesterday's high, so we all have it all to do. This still could go either way. It's promising, but it could go either way. And it may be that we don't get a real direction until the press conference is actually over, which I'm assuming will be any time between top of the hour and 2:30. Alright, I'll pause the video again, but we are holding up and looking good. Just need more, a couple of more higher closes in the smaller time frames and a decent close at the top of the hour and 15 minutes. Alright, I'll pause the video again. Okay, we are 7 or 8 minutes off of the top of the hour, and so at the moment we are just breaking the high of this bar here. This is the bar I'm most interested in, this one here. So if we can lift ourselves through this, then we could potentially see that accelerate. So a few £100 on the board up there. Let's see how that goes. Okay, beginning to get some push now. You can see we're right up to the session highs. Let's just see if that breaks up. Profits going up. So the impulsive wave looks good. Okay, I'm taking some profits on this one. You can see nearly £500 on that account up there. So I've just left some on my swing trade accounts now. Okay, this is a live account, bumping into some resistance. I will take a pullback on that one in this account. Otherwise, I will just let that go. Okay, I'll pause the video and see where we are. Just done a screen grab of another account. This is nearly 600 in there at the moment. Target on this one is 121.92, which is this fib level. Okay, so let's just see if that can work as well. Okay, I'm gradually scaling out of this in my other account, so I will keep you up to date with that. Still looks as if 192 is on the cards. If you want to learn how to do this, if you want to make this kind of profit, then you need to be in Scalper School, because this is a Scalper School setup. This is traded in a live room 3 days a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday morning in the Euro session. We do a running commentary through the day, Monday to Friday, most days, not every single day. And then we open the room when there is what we call tier 1 data, when there's really crucial, potentially game-changing data events like ECB days. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. It is turning out to be a little bit longer than I thought, but go to our website. I'll just scroll that up. I go to our website, come down to Scalper School, and you will see that the next course is, I must update that, but if you come down to this area here, click here for the live presentation, that should take you off to a booking ticket for the next event where we introduce Scalper School. I'll make sure that's up to date after I've done this video, and I will make sure that the dates up here are rescheduled. So we've just finished another course. We do them very regularly, so I'll let you know when the next one is, and just be aware of this special offer down here. Click that button and find out what's going on there. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, and bye for now.